Hey, how you doing, Map here, Map Investments? Do another video here on what happened today in the market trends, and what stocks I saw. So let's take a look. I always start with the dollar. Make this a little quick recap. Dollar's up to almost 93.50. 93.50 for 94 will be basically resistance. If the bulls can get through that, who knows? I'm bearish on the dollar long term, but that's just me. Bitcoin down, Bitcoin, shitcoin down 585 to 42,564. Oil up 75.62, and it was up on the regular session too. S&P down 3, gold stable. The meats, I think hogs were up today, back to 90 cents. Feeders about 154, and cattle 122. Small caps, there was rotation out of NASDAQ stocks into small caps. I think the durable good orders were good today. I want to say the Dow Jones was down. I think the only index was small caps, I want to say. Let me see here. We can still have a final look. I figured out why my phone's been lagging. It's because I got like a VPN thing on here through McAfee, and it's making it slow. I think I don't know. Let me see here. It gives me the regular session. Well, the Dow was up 70, S&P down 12, NASDAQ down 77. But I think the small caps was the biggest gainer today, if I'm not mistaken. Where's small cap? Yeah, up $32, 1.5% almost. So they were rotating out of the NASDAQ and large tech stuff into the small caps. A lot of energy names were popping. Natural gases had a big move. Let me see what it's after hours. Wow, we are having some massive moves here in the last, I want to say, week. We're having some massive moves in natural gas. Basically, we went from, so the high was 602, and we came from, where's the low? Let me see, it changes to 5 more minutes. 2, 4, 5, let's go 4 hours. Just want to get a big picture kind of thing here. So, wow, that is a massive move. Look at that move in natural gas from 473 to 602. That is bad news if there's a cold winter up north. People's heating bills are going to be very expensive. Boy, oh boy, natural gas is really moving. Yeah, that's bad. People are going to be using a lot of blankets. Nikkei's down 205. Dow Jones down a little bit. NASDAQ down a little bit. Small caps are flat. Silver flat. VIX up a little bit. The grains were a little bit up, but they've been pretty stable. And the bonds are pretty flat. So right now the futures are pretty quiet. Over at the crypto market, here are the tradables on Coinbase. Uniswap down 10. I think it's a bloodbath right now. It's a sea of red everywhere. Bitcoin down 4%, Ether down 6%, Cardano 5%, Polkadot 6%, Dogecoin 20 cents, Uniswap down 10%, Chainlink down 7%, Algorand down 7%. I mean, it's just everything's down. Remember, China's they want to block all this stuff they consider illegal. And China's the second, soon to be biggest economy in the world. Tesla's down 9%. I only buy like the ones that have very little supply. I don't believe in none of this crap. This is all fantasy world crap, but whatever. I bought the cheap ones to see if I can buy a Lamborghini, like all the people put on their Instagram. But yeah, I don't even see any. Well, here's one that's green. Tribe is green, 63 cents. I don't know. This DDX. Look, it's up 30%. Rotation into DDX and RAD. My friend Tejas was asking me about Monero. I don't even think they have Monero here. Not even tradable, I think, on Coin. Here it is. This is the 1-day chart. It's not supported on Coinbase. This is a week. So it looks 254 was the high, 213 was the low. Went from 321 to 213 on the month. Man, it looks pretty decent. I mean, we'll say support maybe here. At this number over here, maybe. At $200 more or less. Let's say $200 right here. 200. I would say 200 it pretty much is the all-time chart. I don't know, maybe nibble at 200 Tejas. Look like maybe that's support there. I wish I could draw a line here. I can't draw a line on this app. But that's what I would probably do there if I wanted to be in that coin. I just buy the penny crap on all this fantasy. Anyways, I'll do more specific stocks. I just wanted to chime in on the futures. I think economic news, there was only durable goods. I think it was durable goods was the only one that I can remember that I heard them mention that came in a little bit better. These people haven't been updating. All these Fed guys trading, knowing what's going on. They're all crooked. All these guys. This guy, Fed, bought Rosenberg abruptly announced his retirement. All these cocksuckers knew what they were doing. These guys are criminals. They're criminals. They rob you without a gun. They wear suits and they rob you without a gun. So this here, capital goods orders shipments rise strongly in August. And inflation is transitory. Yeah, bullshit. Anyways, I'll do some specific stocks. Like the video, share it, and I'll be doing more videos as we go along.